To the shower chair that I put half in and half out of the tub. I've shortened the legs inside the tub so that the whole thing is even when I sit on it. And I would sit right on the edge of the tub, but there's this bar here that prevents me from doing that. So next, I sit down and turn on the warm water. And then I take the shower hose, which is conveniently placed right here. I have a suction cup holder. And then I sit down. I take the bath size ivory soap, which I keep right there, and I soap up a face towel, which I pile here for convenience. I scrub my behind and then rinse with the shower hose. When I'm finished, I use another face towel to dry my behind. It's a wonderful system, and I bet I have the cleanest rear end in my entire town.